Hello my friends, and in this video we're going to add a new collaborator or invite someone to collaborate with us in our OfferLab to help us build our offer. This is not bringing an affiliate. This is when, let's say, you want me to build your offers or to help you strategize in your OfferLab account. Like when we bring a funnel builder into ClickFunnels, when you add an admin to an account, that's what we're going to be doing right now, how to do that part. The first thing is that we're going to go in the bottom to menu, and then you're going to go into add teammates. When you go into add teammates, you have the option that you see that right here, it gives you the teammates that are invited. I'm going to invite the new teammate. You're going to click add teammate, and this will open the option here. So you're going to type an email. And when you create that invitation, now that invitation is on a pending state until that person actually can come in to help you. So you see that here it's in pending and it's set up as an admin. So let me go and get the email so you can see how it looks. Okay, so here we have the email that we received from OfferLab. Hey, welcome to the team. Give the email, accept the invitation so you can join this team. And when you click this, it's gonna prompt you to open your OfferLab account so you can log in. Okay, so now we have the link. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna log in into my OfferLab account so I can then accept that link. Okay, and now I can use the link, accept, I can then connect to that other account. So how do we switch? So I can help that other person. So right here on the bottom where it says menu, you're gonna see then this one. That is the one that I am. And then you're gonna see this second one, Carlos Business. That is the second account. So again, like in ClickFunnels, you can, from right here from the menu, you can switch between the two accounts. Right here, when I'm in that one, let me show you. I have all my products that I have in my account. You see? Same products. If I switch to my Carlos Business, nothing yet. Again, because that's the account that I'm using to demo you. So there you have it, my friends. That's how you can invite someone into your OfferLab account so they can help you strategize or help you build your affiliate programs. Friends, we'll see you on our next video.